Hello and welcome back to Jimbo's PC Builds. Today I'm going to do something that's a little bit of a change of pace from the usual. I'm going to do an unboxing, which I've done before, but today I'm going to unbox something that isn't really related to my normal content. What I'm going to be unboxing is this. Oh, there we are. This is the Loot Crate 80th anniversary of Batman loot box. So I'm going to unbox it and see what we get inside. Now the box itself has got a little bit dinged up. Came in the mail. One of the things I'd say to Loot Crate is if you're going to send something like this, the box is part of the package. It's really nice, or it would have been if it hadn't been battered to bits. Really, it could have done with putting inside another box, say. Put your comments below. What do you think? Have you had Loot Crates? By the way, this is my first ever Loot Crate, so I have no idea what's inside, and I have no idea what to expect. So that's why I thought I'd do this. You could come along the ride with me. Let's have a look, shall we? Remember, always be careful with knives. Right, let's have a look. Right, now I've loosened the old sellotape on the top. Let's open up and see what we've got. So, first thing, a pair of Batman and Joker socks. Okay, bit different. A Batman top. Very nice. Right, what's next? A Batman pen set. Let's open it up and have a look, shall we? The pen set comes in a nice 80 Years of Batman box. Let's have a look inside. So the pen sets are for the Riddler, Penguin, and a certain Harley Quinn. There we are. What's next? Oh my god. This is a Long Live the Bat Batman Bat Signal USB light. Okay, let's have a look. Oh my dear lord. Oh my dear lord, bits falling out. Oh, it was a USB cable. But there we are, don't know if you can see this. So you got the old Bat logo, you got light in there, you plug it in using the said USB cable, I guess. And you can beam the Bat light all over your bedroom or wherever you want to put it. In my case, my wife would probably say it's going to go where I sit and do all my stuff, because I can't see her liking that in the bedroom, but there we are. Right, now we have a Batman collectible pin set. Oh, very nice. These will go well on my lanyards that I've got over there, that I get from New York Comic Con, which is, by the way, where I ordered this. I ordered this at Comic Con New York in October last year, and it's finally got to me in the May afterwards. Okay, one of those, never mind. It's got various Batmobiles of the time. So it's got the 60s Batmobile. It's got the more modern, sleek comic type, animated film type Batmobile, and more of a comical Batmobile. So pretty good. What next? I'm not going to open these. It's a box of Batman playing cards. Okay. Next, what we have? Oh, this is heavy. Oh, it's a Batman tumbler set. So there's two tumblers in here. And one has got the Batman logo on, and the other has got the Joker logo on. Very nice. what next? Oh, it comes with like a little pamphlet telling you all the details of what you've got in there. So it tells you about the Batman raglan, which is the top, the socks, and various other things. Now the last thing we've got are Batman Batarang replicas. So I'm not going to take these out, but you've got the various things that the old Batman would chuck. And that's what came in the box. All in all, I'm pretty pleased with that. I think it's a pretty decent set of stuff. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you like this kind of content, unboxing these kind of things, let me know and I'll see if we can get some more. If you're a Batman fan, what do you think of the 80th anniversary Loot Crate? I'll put a link below to the Loot Crate site so you can go and have a look at what content they have there in terms of you can order yourselves some Loot Crates, maybe a Batman one or whatever ones they're running at the time. If you did like this content, please don't forget to toss a like on the video. Please subscribe because both of those things are helpful to the channel. And as always, take care.